Imagine losing potential customers because of a single negative review. How would you handle it? Negative search results can severely damage your online reputation, affecting both individuals and businesses. To combat this, a strategic approach and a deep understanding of SEO techniques are essential. One of the most effective strategies is creating high-quality, relevant content that can outrank negative search results. Start by identifying target keywords associated with the negative content using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. Develop a content strategy that includes blog posts, articles, press releases, and social media updates. Optimize your on-page SEO by using target keywords in title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and image alt texts. Incorporate multimedia content like videos, infographics, and podcasts to enhance user engagement. Building and managing robust online profiles across various platforms can help control your narrative. Establish and regularly update social media profiles on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Optimize your LinkedIn profile with professional and complete information, and regularly publish updates. Claim and optimize business listings on directories like Google My Business and Yelp with accurate information and positive reviews. Engage in proactive public relations to build a positive image and counteract negative search results. Issue press releases about positive developments in your business and distribute them through reputable PR channels. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to amplify your positive messages and enhance your online reputation. Engage with local media by participating in community events and offering expert opinions on industry trends. Encouraging positive reviews can significantly influence your online reputation and search rankings. Provide excellent customer service to ensure a positive customer experience and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Respond to negative reviews professionally and promptly to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Regularly monitor your online reputation using tools like Google Alerts and Mention to stay informed about new content. Consider hiring a professional reputation management service if negative search results are significantly impacting your business. Keep your online presence positive and proactive.